you can achieve entrepreneurship, success, achieve whatever you want. It takes only 5 things to go from entrepreneur, that you have a great idea, to an actual entrepreneur. The first one is a big picture idea. The importance of a big picture cannot be overstated enough. You got to start with a vision, a real strong one. This is the future concept of how you want your world to look, your life. Steve Jobs once laid out his vision of an apple on every single desk. Does that vision have to be achievable? Not all the time, and it's an ideal. So you can't always get everything you wish for, but maybe if you shoot for the moon, you'll land at least among the stars. Being on a mission is number 2. With the vision in mind, you got to get in that mission mode, and it should be established right away. It's connecting where you are today with the vision for the future. It also helps guide you. You know, who do you want to engage with? What do you want to engage with? The best mission statement is simple, direct, and clear. A great example of that is to have the perfect balance of comfort and elegance, which can be adopted by all, which is an example of one of my favorite designing brands, Lacoste, their mission statement. Number 3, you got to be ready, you got to get set, and then you got to put goals in place. Tony Robbins said getting goals in the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. So goals, sometimes called your targets, are something that your business will focus on achieving, and they should be measurable and attainable. Example of goals might be the increase of your subscriber base by 50% next year. Great goal. To increase maybe your revenue by just 20% over the next 3 years. How are you going to do that? To improve our customer retention rate from 40% to 60%. You're going to nurture people. Maybe in 3 months you want a really great short-term goal. Whatever those goals are, you can't achieve them if you don't even set any. Just as an Uber driver must have a destination before he can set out on his way to get you there, an entrepreneur should have a clear set of the goals they have in mind, and they have to be expressed as part of that written strategic plan, your GPS. That is why you want to get into my Wow Factor roadmap, the Wow Factor program. So I'm going to perform the number 4. You're going to get a Wow Factor scan, and it's an analysis of the issues and all the problems, both internally and externally, to the concepts and ideas and business brand or product and service that you were thinking about designing. Now, how do they impact those goals? How will you set objectives and tactics to achieve them? Do you really know you're inside the mayonnaise jar? Sometimes you can't read the label. This step with you that I take, an internal look at the current situation of your strengths. What is your wow? What's your unique? What's the thing that wants me referring everybody to you? And so now after that wow, you're going to get into your critical issues, your weaknesses, the things you need to improve on. So externally, those issues outside the company are such a complex thing. The economy, the regulations you might have against you, things that you're going to need to get your plan in place. They might affect the plan. So the summary of all these findings, internal, external, depending on the industry you're in and the idea that you totally want to build with me, it can be a simple process or a complex process. But don't worry, I'm going to handhold you, and I won't take on any entrepreneur projects that I'm not certain I can succeed at helping you build. If I can't build that roadmap for any reason, and I can't wow you with what we've done with the roadmap, then I haven't done my job. So partnering with our sophisticated Wow Factor program, I've spent over 13 years designing and developing this, having it implemented with many other clients, is a way of getting out the information from you have in your head, and then getting serious about creating that goal. Every entrepreneur, even existing ones, sometimes need to implement something new, a new division, diversification, a new strategy. They need to get out of their perspective and get some outside perspective on improving the development of their business. So number 5, that last step, is developing the roadmap strategy. Now you have to figure out how you're going to go about implementing the strategy of achieving your goals. The key in developing a strategy, in fact, the key to successful strategic planning overall, is that you have to be brutally honest and you have to be realistic in all the facets of the process. If you're not honest, I can't figure out how to help you. So I'm hosting a high-end 4-week webinar program. It's a limited space because frankly, I can't help absolutely everyone and make you a custom roadmap all at the same time. So it's completely custom and it's showing you where you're going to go just like a GPS. It's unique for you and you have to qualify to even get into my program, the Wow Factor program. So once it's fully closed, there's nothing I can do. I believe in H to H in business. So that's not those B2B businesses, that's human to human. And I'm personally going to be with you live in those webinars, live in the program, and completely engaged. Purposeful engagement, that is my brand. And so I can find out about you and be intentional with my heartfelt that I'm going to be able to build something with you that you've dreamed of building. All my attendees on the webinar, I can't wait, and I totally look forward to discovering all the things you're passionate about, all the dreams you've ever had, and turning them into reality.